In some cases, you may want to add a file to your Shopify store that your customers can download. In this Shopify tutorial, we'll show you how to upload a PDF file in your Shopify admin and then add it to a product page where it can be clicked on and downloaded. So as you can see here, we have a product description on the product page, and this is where we're going to add a bit of text along with our PDF file. So we'll head on over to our Shopify admin, and from there, we're going to click on Content in the left-hand menu, and then we'll hit Files. In the top right-hand corner, we have the Upload Files button. We're going to click on it and then grab the file from our computer that we'd like to upload. Once our file is done uploading, we're going to click on the link icon to grab the URL. Now that we have that link, we'll go ahead and click on Products in the left-hand menu. Click on the product that we'd like to edit. And then we'll add the new text and the link to our PDF in the description. So we've added some text here inviting customers to download the PDF. Now to add a link, we simply highlight the text and then click on the link icon. And now we can paste the URL that we copied when we uploaded the PDF. We can also choose whether or not the PDF opens up in the same window or a new window, which is essentially the browser tab. And then we can also add a link title. Once we're done adding all of the information, we'll hit Insert Link. Next, we'll hit Save in the top right. And then we'll head on back to our product page to refresh it and see our changes. So we'll go ahead and reload the page. And you can now see the new text down at the bottom here. If we click on the link, it'll open up the PDF in a new tab. And because it's a PDF file, your customers will have the option to download it or print it. That's it for this video. If you'd like for us to cover any other Shopify tutorials, be sure to let us know in the comments.